Paranoid was quite an organic shoot. It was really unusual. The thought process of this one in particular was really it was so different to the other ones. The only thing I knew that I wanted to go in is I had a beautiful skirt made from my friends Natasha and Elliot at Seventon Latex. They made a skirt for me for the shoot, and that's all I had to go on. I had a 3/4 wig piece, and that kind of style was incorporated by a drag queen called Vander Von Odd, and I wanted to create something that again was very exaggerated, very unusual, that was quite striking. Itself was just totally organic. There wasn't any kind of difference in skin tones, so it was all very complete. But I also wanted something that was very dark, very smudged and smeared. So it almost like you could see the fear in her face, like it's been running up her face and she's been smudging it, and it's all over the place. The dress was created, again, as part of symbolism. Talli wore the piece to help kind of represent the way that people who have been diagnosed with feel that they're being watched. And that was fundamentally the main part of the symbolism.